Hey, hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, and enjoying the classes. Am I right? Okay. So, children, what we have learned in our previous class? Can you tell me? No, you won't tell. Okay. So, we have learned in our previous class about the vehicles. No? The means of transport. So there are the three means of transport which we have learned in our previous class. And what are these three means of transports? Yes, one is called land transport, next is water transport, and the next is air transport. And I told you what these transports are called. The vehicles which run or move on the land, means on the road, are called the land transport. Yes, and I showed you some images, some of the pictures of the land transport. In that we have seen bus, auto, lorry, train, van, bicycle, rickshaw. So these are all called the examples of the land transport. And next we have seen the water transport. What are the examples of water transport, children? Yes, the vehicles which sail on water are called the water transport. So which vehicles are sail on water? Boat, ship, steamer. So these are the examples of the water transport which sail on the water. No? And the next we have seen the air transport. What is air transport is? The vehicles which fly in the air are called the water transport. So what vehicles fly in the air? We see aeroplanes, helicopters, jet in the sky when they fly. No? So they are called the air transport. So this we have learnt in our previous class about the means of transport and the land transport, water transport and air transport we have learned, and also I have showed you some images of that. So what we are going to learn in today's class, you want to know it? Okay, so before that you have to take out your English textbook, children, and the page number is 104. So let's take out all of you page number 104, which is given here on the left top corner. 104. 104 is 104. So this page number you have to take out, and you want to know what we are going to learn today's class? Yes. So we are going to learn the calendar words. Everybody knows calendar, no? Which is hanged to a wall every day, on which we see the dates and days and months also. Yes, children? Okay, so let's start the calendar words. In that we are going to see months of a year. Can you tell me, children, how many months are there in a year? Yes, so there are the 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. So there are total how many months? 12 months. 1 to 12. So we are going to learn what are these months and their spellings are what. Okay. So let's start, children. So which is called the first month of the year is? You have learnt it in your LKG and UKG class. Yes. When your teacher used to ask which is the first month of the year, you used to give the answer, January is the first month of the year. No? This is the slang you used, no? Okay. So here the first month of the year is called January, and the spelling of January is January. January. So what is the first month of the year is? January is the first month of the year. And what are the special activities that we do in the January month, children? Yes, so January is the first month of the year. So in the January month we celebrate as our new year. In January month, Makar Sankranti. This festival falls in the January month only. We get the holidays 4 to 5 days to celebrate Makar Sankranti. And also we celebrate our national festival. Which is that? Yes, it is our 26th January, Republic Day. No, so in the first month of the year only we celebrate the New Year, our Republic Day and Makar Sankranti festival. No, so these are the special days which we celebrate in the January month. Yes, so January spelling once again we'll read it, children. January, January, and it is called first month of the year. Okay, next, what is the second month of the year, children? So here February is the second month of the year. Then what is the February spelling is? February spelling is February. February. So what February is special for what? Sometimes in February month, which festival falls, children, you know? Mahashivratri. Sometimes it falls in the month of February and sometimes it falls in the month of March also. So here let's take that February month we celebrate Mahashivratri festival. And Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti also we celebrate it in the February month. Okay, and it is called the second month of the year. Okay, and next we are going to see the third month of the year is. What is the third month of the year is, children? Yes, March. So here the spelling of March is M-A-R-C-H. So what do we celebrate in the March month, children? Which is the festival of the colors. Which festival is that? Holi. Very good. So we celebrate Holi in the month of March. Holi is the festival of colors which we celebrate in the month of March. Yes. So our summer season also begins from the March month, children. From the February ending only it starts. But in March month we celebrate which festival? Holi, which is the festival of the colors. Okay, and the next we are going to see the fourth month of the year is. Which is the fourth month of the year, children? April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Now tell me, children, in the April month which festival falls? Yes, Ugadi. According to the Hindu calendar, all the Hindus celebrate Ugadi and it is called the new year for the Hindu people. No? So our new year starts from the Ugadi only. So April month we also celebrate, or it is called the Ambedkar Jayanti, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. His Jayanti also on the 14th So we celebrate Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's Jayanti. And the fifth month of the year is. What is the fifth month of the year is, children? Yes, it is May. M-A-Y, May. Everybody like this month, no? Because you get the holidays in the May month. Am I right? Yes. Why we get the holidays, children, in May month? Because it is called the very hottest month of the year. The days are very hot in the May month, children. The sun shines very brightly. That's why we get the holidays in the May month. And it is a very special month to everyone because you get the holidays in the May month. Yes. So this is called the M-A-Y, May, fifth month of the year. Okay, now the next month. What is the next month? Which is called the sixth month of the year. Yes, it is June. J-U-N-E, June. What is special in June, children? Your schools are going to reopen, no? So every year in June month your schools reopen. That's why it is called the reopened school day or the month. No? So this is called the 6th month of the year, and June, June, the spelling of June is, and your schools reopen in the June month. Okay. Now we are going to see the next month, which is called the 7th month of the year. So what is the 7th month of the year, children? So here let's start. July. July is called the 7th month of the year. Do we have any festivals in this month, children? Sometimes Ramzan also falls in this month. No? Okay. Then what is the next month of the year is? After July. July comes. Sorry. Which month comes after July? Yes, August. And it is called the 8th month of the year. Yes. August spelling is August. August. Now, in August month, what do we celebrate, children? So, children, we celebrate our Independence Day, which is our national festival on the 15th August. No? So, we celebrate August month, Independence Day, Rakhi Paurnami also. Yes, so we celebrate Rakhi Paurnami and Independence Day in the month of August, and it is called the 8th month of the year. So next one, the 9th month of the year is, which is the 9th month of the year is called? Yes, September. 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 So what is the September month specialities? Want to know? Yes, in September month we worship one god, children. Which god is that? So all the students, they go to the pandals. Which pandals? Ganapati pandals. Yes, Vinayaka Chaturthi. We celebrate Vinayaka Chaturthi in the month of September. Yes. So September month, and also one special day we celebrate. Which is that? Yes, Teachers' Day, which comes on the 5th of September. No? So September we celebrate Teachers' Day and also Vinayaka Chaturthi in the month of September, and it is called the 9th month of the year. Okay? And next one is, which month after September? Yes, October comes after the September, and here the spelling of October is October. October. What is the spelling of October, children? October. October. And it is called the 10th month of the year. And which festival do we celebrate in the October month, children? Which festival falls in the month of October? Yes, we celebrate. We get the holidays in the October month also. For what? We get the 15 days holidays. We celebrate Batukamma festival and we get the holidays for Navaratri. No? Dasera holidays. So we celebrate Dasera festival, Batukamma in the month of October. And next month is, which comes after the October is November. Yes. So the spelling of November is November. November. Now this November is called the 11th month of the year. Now this is we feel very cool because it is called the winter season in November month. No? And in November month, what do we celebrate? It is very special for you all the children. Yes, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Okay, so we celebrate Children's Day as it is Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. We celebrate it as Children's Day on 14th November. And also there is a festival which falls in the November month. which is called the festival of lights. We lit the diyas, we decorate our houses, and we burn the crackers on this festival. Which is that festival is, children? Yes, Deepavali. So we celebrate Deepavali festival in the month of November. No, we celebrate Children's Day, and also we celebrate the Deepavali festival in the month of November, and is called the 11th month of the year. And the last month which is called of the year is December, which is the very coldest month. No? So here the last month of the year is December. December. December is called the last month of the year, and it is very cool, children, in December month, because it is the winter season and it is called the coldest month of the year and the last month of the year. So what festival falls in this month, children? You want to know it? So in the December month we celebrate Christmas festival, and for that also we get the holidays. No? So we celebrate Christmas festival in the month of December. Okay, so children, you know that. So total how many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year, and they are called January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the total 12 months of a year. So hope you all have understood. I have told the 12 months, the spellings and the special occasions what we celebrate in each and every month. Okay, so hope you all have understood, children. Learn the spellings, read, and you have to write the numbers of this month, and also learn the numbers of each of the month, which is called the first month, second month, third month, like that. From 1 to 12 we have to learn the numbers for each and every month. Okay, so soon we are going to meet in our next class, children, with the new topic. So till then you have to enjoy by watching this class and wait for the another class. Okay, so take care, everyone. Our class is finished. Soon we are going to meet in our next class. Till then, you have to take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye.